Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. You need to tighten that girth, grab those reins, and get saddled up, cause we're gonna hit the trail to Panther City. That's right, Cowtown, Fort Worth, Texas, where you're gonna see how we took this relatively plain backyard and turned it into this. And all of that's next on Affordable Backyard University. Now giddy up, let's go. Hey, before we get started, could I ask you a favor? Hey, we love you, but all we ask is that you like us, so click the like button if you like what you see coming up. Also, if you'd like to be on the inside track, if you'll click subscribe, then every week you'll automatically get the newest video. So, one last thing, if there's a topic you'd like to see covered, having to do with backyard projects like what we feature, hey, put it in the comments and we'll try to get to it. Today's is the result of a comment. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is this backyard's got two pergolas. A lot of people are fortunate to have one, but these people needed two, and we'll get into that in just a second. One other note, if you'll look at the pergola on the right, it's got post bases made from stone. And the one that we're going to concentrate on today will, but we just haven't done that yet. So let's play the definition game first. The one we're going to talk about today, which is in the center of the picture, is called a standalone covered pergola, as opposed to the one on the right, which is attached to the house. So this is a Western red cedar pergola. The posts are 6 by 6. The beams are 4 by 12. The starburst in the center, the supports, are 4 by 6s. So let's talk about how the posts attach to the ground. You'll see the ones in front that sit on that aggregate concrete are sitting in Simpson post bases, which are anchored to that concrete. But if you look back in the back, we put them in the flower beds. So we dug holes, and then you wrap those posts with multiple layers of heavy-duty, thick mill plastic, and then you concrete them in the ground. It's not going anywhere. This is another great shot of those rear posts, and you can see how massively they're anchored to the ground in that heavy-duty mill plastic. Also, if you look up, you can see the beautiful underside of that pergola. They're so pretty, it's just incredible. Easy to keep, too. And just in case you were wondering, the standalone pergola is for the people to sit under and stay out of the shade. The attached pergola against the house is where the kitchen and the giant new beautiful bar are going to go once they are delivered. Well, you know what that music means. Time for me to shut the heck up and let you guys walk this job one last time and take a look. Don't forget you got a horse saddled up front and we got to get back to Fort Worth before dark. Let's go. Hey, we'd like to thank you for visiting with us on Affordable Backyard University. If you liked what you saw, click the like button. Help a brother out. We make videos every week. If you'd like to be notified, click the subscribe button. Ring the bell. Leave a question, leave a comment, leave a criticism. If you liked it, like it. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.